Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have an admin session and a recent Windows 11 build, then Act. Right-click the empty taskbar area and choose Taskbar Settings. Once done, expand the Taskbar Items section. This is where Windows exposes the search control. You do this now because it's the simplest, safest path. Make sure to follow the on-screen options and keep the settings window open for the next step. You will now remove the visible search element. Toggle off search under taskbar items and observe the bar disappear immediately. This is the intended user-facing method. If the search toggle is not present, open Group Policy Editor, gpedit. MSC or edit HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /search to disable the feature, only if you're comfortable. Once you make the change, don't close settings yet. You'll refresh the interface next to ensure the change sticks. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and click Restart. You can also sign out and sign back in. This forces the taskbar to repaint and confirms the search field is gone. If it reappears, make sure Windows is up to date and check group policy conflicts. Sometimes company policies reapply the search. As a troubleshooting tip, back up the registry before edits so you can undo changes safely if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.